Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping hammock that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lawson hammock tent. Is it a hammock or is it a tent? Actually, it's both. The Lawson hammock tent is one incredibly versatile bit of camping gear that can be hung as a hammock or pitched as a tent. Perfect for those times when you just can't find the right branches. We absolutely love the spreader bar and arch pole system that flattens the base of the hammock, keeping it nice and flat, stopping the dreaded U-shape from forming. The removable, waterproof rainfly will keep you dry when the bad weather hits, yet on dry nights you can gaze at the stars safe in the knowledge that the no-see mesh will keep you protected from bugs. Alternatively, if you fancy reading yourself to sleep, you can string up some lanterns on the ceiling O-rings, and the dual internal pockets are great for essential items you want to keep close. At 4.25 pounds, it's definitely on the heavy side, but this does include the rainfly and stuff sack, as well as the poles, and is way lighter than carrying a tent and a hammock. Similarly, it costs more than your average hammock, but it's not your average hammock, is it? It's also a tent. Sadly, the hanging straps aren't included, but at least they don't cost much. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Wise Owl Outfitters Double Hammock. If you're looking for a comfy hammock for two to brighten up your campsite, but you don't want to spend a fortune, then you should definitely check out the Wise Owl Outfitters Double Hammock. This is an extremely popular double hammock, and it's easy to see why. Constructed from 210T parachute nylon, this hammock is as comfy as it is strong, so you can kick back and relax as you hang in the trees. It's also incredibly lightweight for a double, weighing less than 2 pounds, even when you include the straps and carabiners, which are also included in the price. Yay! What's more, it compresses nicely, and you can pack it down to a bundle roughly the size of an eggplant. Its super portable nature makes it great for backpacking adventures, and you can even tie the stuff sack to the outside of your bag if you really want to save space. Setup is super simple too, and you won't have to tie any knots. Just make use of one of the 5 loops provided on the lengthy straps. Plus, the stuff sack is actually attached to the hammock and doubles up as a useful pocket once assembled. This hammock doesn't come with a mesh screen or rainfly to protect you from the outside world, so if you'll be using this hammock in place of a tent, you might want to pick those up separately. However, if you're after a hammock to chill around your camp in, and don't want to shell out for unnecessary protection, then this hammock is a fantastic shout. Oh, and it comes in heaps of colors too. At number 3, we have the ENO DoubleNest Hammock. If you like the sound of the Wise Owl hammock, but it just isn't portable enough for you, then fear not, the ENO DoubleNest Hammock has you covered. Weighing in at just over 1 pound, yet accommodating 2 people, this really is one ultra-lightweight hammock for 2. On top of that, it folds down to about half the size of the Wise Owl hammock into a tiny 5x5-inch bundle. You can pop it in your pack and barely know it's there. Plus, the stuff sack doubles up as a pocket, further keeping the weight down. The nylon used is durable and fast drying, which is great, seeing as there's no rainfly included, and, combined with the sturdy line and carabiners, can support a weight of up to 400 pounds. There's no bug protection either, so you'll need somewhere else to hide if the bugs come out. It comes in an impressive array of colors. You'll definitely be able to find one you like, making it a great option for outdoor celebrations and festivals as well as camping trips. One thing to note, however, is that the hammock straps aren't included, so you'll have to pick those up separately. It will set you back more than the Wise Owl hammock, but if you're heading out on backcountry adventures, and portability is the name of the game, then it's probably worth the extra pennies. At number 2, we have the Forbidden Road Parachute Hammock. If you're after a super simple and very economical solo hammock, then the Forbidden Road Parachute Hammock might be just what you're looking for. The no-frills approach taken towards the design of this hammock has helped to keep both the cost and the weight down. The price includes the hammock, ropes, and carabiners, but you'll have to pick up the hammock straps separately. This hammock may be designed for one, but you'll be able to fit some gear in there too thanks to the high weight capacity of 400 pounds. This makes this a great hammock for overnighting in, but you might want to invest in some kind of tarp to go over the top in case of bad weather. One thing to bear in mind is that the manufacturer suggests not elevating this hammock more than 50 centimeters above the ground. You'll still be raised off the hard, cold ground, but you might not get the full-on tree factor you were expecting. The stuff sack doubles up as a handy storage pouch, and this hammock is incredibly easy to set up. If you're new to the world of outdoor hammocks and want to test the water, then this is a great entry-level hammock that won't break the bank. And finally at number 1, we have the Kutek L Camping Hammock. Last, but by no means least, on our list of the best camping hammocks around is the Kutek L Camping Hammock. A great budget option for couples who like that bit more wiggle space. This hammock has a great weight capacity of 500 pounds thanks to its durable fabric and super sturdy tree straps, which have tons of loops and come included, yay! As well as being super robust, the parachute nylon is also soft to the touch, helping you to get a good night's rest. Although the carabiners will do the trick, they don't seem to be as high quality as the rest of the materials used. On top of its large dimensions, the stuff sack doubles up as a storage pocket to free up even more space, and we like the drawstring design of the sack that makes it easy to attach to the outside of your pack when packing space is an issue. In its most basic form, this hammock provides no bug or rain protection. However, we love that there are bundles available that include mosquito nets if you know you're going to a bug-prone area. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.